What's good, family? Today we're going to be styling the Jordan 4 red cements. I'm going to throw a couple fall fits together with these. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what else you would like to see, and I'll make sure to get that done for y'all. If you want to win a free pair of Jordan 1 Low black toes, all you got to do is click the meme link, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, follow 1.NORI, and DM me proof. That way when I pick a winner, you'll be able to choose your size for a pair of Jordan 1 Low black toes. Shout out to the homies at BLACKTAILOR for sponsoring this video. Y'all already know they laced me up with a lot of heat. They never miss. In this pack we got 3 different pieces, and this one we got 4. They sent me 7 different pieces to pair with the red cement 4s. First things first, we got the N27 cargos in black. Y'all already know they're cargo pants I wear on a daily basis. This pair right here are a little bit on the baggier side. I'm trying to get into big cargo pocket on the front, toggle at the bottom to make them tighter, toggle at the top to make them tighter as well. BLACKTAILOR details. These are definitely gonna pair nicely with the 4s. They're a little bit baggier, so they're gonna drape over the top of the sneaker, which I feel like will be clean for this pair since they are a little bit bulkier. Could even cinch the top, so it could have this scrunch effect on the actual pant. Look at how it's scrunched up. I could literally just loosen it and then the pants spread out. Pretty neat touch on these cargos. I would also throw on the zipped up jacket in gray. This is a size large. I love that cargo pocket. Color on this is more monotone. Definitely pair with the gray on the sneaker on the front and back. So we got the zipped up jacket in gray, N27s in black. Whatever tee y'all want. Probably throw on my NORI shirt in this dark gray just to keep the gray tones going, make it feel a little bit more fall. But we got the black with the gray, lighter tone of gray. Let me know if y'all feeling the fit in the comments. I think it works, and it's honestly one that I'm gonna throw together with these 4s if I end up keeping them. Let me know in the comments if y'all gonna go for these this upcoming Saturday, which should be tomorrow by the point I post this video. Second, we have the V1 cargos in the sand colorway. Got these in a 34 because these are a skinnier cargo, so I want to add that extra space for my legs to breathe. Pretty much a taupe, almost like a washed earthy tone to it. Cargo pocket on the side, zippers at the bottom if you do want to open them so they could drape over the shoe a little more. Favorite part has to be the long drawstrings, old Fear of God vibes. V1 cargos in sand with the red cements. This could even be a school inspired outfit. Y'all know you gotta wear them khakis, so these will be clean for school. We also got the utility sweater in black, size large. I honestly needed this. Yeah, this is gonna become one of my essential sweaters. I love that utility pocket on the front with the zipper. Has a boxy fit, so this is gonna be clean. I'm excited to see what this looks like with the kicks. Quality on this crew neck is crazy. It's actually mad heavy too. My plan for the fit is the V1 cargos in sand, black utility crew neck. Obviously the kicks, I think it'll work. I've been going for some more monotone fits lately, so this is right up my alley. Y'all can see the fit right here. Let me know if y'all feeling this one better than the first outfit I put together. I am gonna link these pieces in the description if you guys are interested as well. Use my promo code to save you some money at checkout if you do want to check out any of these pieces. The second fit, red cements, V1 cargos in sand, and the utility crew neck. Last fit, we got the N27 cargos in the olive green color. This colorway was so clean, and like I said, I'm trying to get some baggier pants, so I feel like these were gonna do it for me. I love this sagey tone of green that they have on their website. The fact that I could scrunch these up and taper them at the bottom just honestly gave me parachute 90s pants with the red cements. You can never go wrong with camo and Jordan 4, especially if they have some type of red on it. This army-ish greenish color with the 4s, I think it'll work really nicely. Let me know in the comments if y'all agree. We have 2 options for the top. First one being the tactical vest in black. I've seen this on their website before and I always wanted it but never pulled the trigger. This time we decided to grab it over a crew neck, over any type of sweater. Will definitely give it an extra piece to the outfit. It has a big ass pocket on the back. You could low-key store your whole life on the back of this vest. More pockets on the front. You got the straps as well, cargo pockets. This fit will work alone, especially with the black on the vest. I could throw whatever color shirt under it. Probably go like a creamish color shirt with no design on it and just just keep it more simple for this fit. Sageish green cargos, black vest, and then the little bit of red on the sneakers. A solid combination for these fours. I low-key left my favorite piece for last. This epaulet sleeve jacket is a banger. I love this tone that they used. This one I honestly had to pick up. It was the first thing I added to my cart. Two different tones of black, almost like all the different Yeezy slides we've been seeing lately. It does have an oversized fit, so I'm kind of scared if this is gonna fit me the way I want it, but this one's clean. I'll probably throw this with either the sage cargos or the black cargos. Also have this in another color. I gotta try this on, bro, because I'm a little scared if it's gonna fit me. I low-key could have went medium with this jacket just to have a more tapered fit, but with a hoodie under in the fall and the winter, it definitely will be a banger. I love the design on this one, and it'll pretty much go with anything because it's literally just black and gray. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in any of the pieces that I showed you, all you have to do is click the link in the description for Black Tailor. Use my promo code, which will be on the screen, to save you some money at checkout, bro. It's that easy. Make sure y'all don't sleep because they have a lot of heat on their website. And I also want to wish y'all the best of luck on the Jordan 4 red cements. If you haven't got them for retail yet, hey, tomorrow's your last chance, so make sure you get up and try to go for these if it's a sneaker that you're interested in. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to join the giveaway for the black toe Jordan 1s. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.